All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Wednesday evening, and we're going to do a real quick unboxing here. I'm actually just got into town. I came into town and this watch was waiting for me. So I'm very excited to open. It's a very neat watch from a company that I've always wanted to look at, but my buddy up in the Great White North, Bob, he opened one of these the other day and I just couldn't help myself. I had to pick one up. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So this, like, if you guys, the title's going to give it away, but I've never had a Bernhardt watch, and I've always, known about them. I've looked at them for years, and I just have never picked one up. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing the Nautis Avalon green today. So, but yeah, I've always wondered about Bernhardt watches, and I've always thought about picking one up. So they had a Valentine's Day sale here recently. They were giving 10% off on their watches, and I picked this one up. So. Now this particular model, I know they've got a new GMT out there, and right now for some reason, the Corsair. I think it's the Corsair, their new GMT. Bob picked up the Corsair Diver, and I really liked that watch, but you guys are it's gonna drive you nuts, but I really loved this one. This was their new GMT II, and they're limited to 200 pieces is what my understanding is, so I'm expecting that this is probably numbered. Let's go ahead and take a look. So, all right, guys, so here we go. I love the carrying case that these come in. Look at that. Nice case. Got my information in there, so I'll definitely check it out. So I went with the GMT II, the Binnacle GMT II Diver. So these are going to be, like I said, one of 200 pieces they're making. I really like this because of the case size. I wanted to go with it. This is a 39mm case, so it's a really great case size. Just take a quick look at this watch real quick. We'll get the plastic off of here and the stickers. But this company is out of High Point, North Carolina. They've been around since, I think it's around the early 90s. They've been doing watch business, and really they cater a lot to law enforcement and fire departments. They make watches with logos, fire department logos on their dials and whatnot. They make some really, really neat stuff out there. So, all right, so obviously going to be a bit of a nod towards the Rolex, the Polar GMT, but a lot of different stuff going on with this watch that I really like about it. I love the indices. I love the handset they're using on this watch. I don't want to get too much into it right now because we're going to look at it in the full review, but this is definitely a very nice, very well done watch. Just on initial inspection, you do have, I believe these are screwed links on this bracelet. Yeah, definitely screwed links. And see if we can't get more of this plastic off the bracelet. But they have so many neat watches over at the Bernhardt website. And I do believe that through tomorrow, through Valentine's Day, if you use, I think it's V-Day 10, you get a 10% discount on watches. So I'm really bad at getting this plastic off on camera. As a matter of fact, I'm going to have to do that off camera because I'm just going to make a mess. But got this beautiful, GMT. This is running, I think it's the ATA 2836. I think that's the movement. Don't quote me on that. We'll go over that in the full review. But yeah, guys, this is just, like I said, it's going to be a quick unboxing. I've been on the road all day, and it's one of those things that kind of helps me de-stress is to get one of these watches here on the channel and talk about it for a minute. So I'm really excited to put this watch on and wear it, though, so I'm going to definitely have to do that. Now, you guys need to stay tuned to the channel because I came home today. Not only this watch was here, a number of review watches are here, and so I've got a lot of work ahead of me in this next weekend coming up. So stay tuned to the channel because I've got a really cool ladies diver from Phoebus that we're going to show probably tomorrow or the next day. I've got a watch that my buddy Scott looked at from Watches Galore, a watch brand out of Nigeria, which I think is totally cool and different. And gosh, I've just got a lot of stuff lined up. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. Check them out. Oh, I didn't check the back. I didn't see the case back to see if this was numbered. Let's see. I think limited edition. Okay, so this is number 78 of 200. That's pretty cool. So they're only making 200. Now, I don't know if it's 200 of the white and 200 of the black version, or if it's just 200 total. But either way, it's a pretty limited watch as far as getting these. So, all right, guys, that is the unboxing of the Bernhardt Binnacle GMT II, which I'm really excited to have. And look into the future. I will be having a full review of this watch coming up very soon here on the channel. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.